Welcome to Dam Engineering Channel. In this video, we will learn about dam foundation rock investigations. Knowing the properties of foundation rock is extremely important to study the behavior of dam along with foundation. Weak foundation may cause dam to settle and permeable foundation cause seepage issues. Investigations also help us knowing or locating weak zones in the foundation. We can adopt or design solutions for the respective foundation problems. Dam foundation investigations are mainly laboratory testing. This is done by carrying out drill holes at the dam location. Rock core samples are collected during the drilling and they are stored and boxed with appropriate indication. Designers or geologists will recommend the particular samples for laboratory testing. Other type is doing in situ testing. Dams are generally large in size. Laboratory size samples are small and they may not truly represent the rock mass behavior. For this purpose, we have to do some in situ testing, and correlating field test and laboratory testing is always recommended. Further, geophysical investigations also help in identify the type of rock and probable strength and presence of weak zones. We will make a separate lecture on geophysical investigations. Now, we see in detail the laboratory testing which are to be generally done. First is knowing about general properties such as density, porosity, and so on. Second is slake durability test. The rock samples are subjected to drying and wetting. The resistance to this disintegration is measured. Third is unconfined compressive strength. This is most of the common testing. High compressive strength rocks are favorable for dam foundations. If the strength is less, we can modify the dam sections accordingly so that dam behaves safely. Fourth is deformation properties. Those are Young's modulus and Poisson ratio. Both are useful in stress analysis, and when we feed these results in software analysis, we can see how the foundation is going to settle or sustain loads. Fifth is shear strength properties of rock. Cohesion and internal angle of friction. These are also useful in stress, deformation analysis. Triaxial testing, direct shear testing are some of the testing procedures to find out these properties. Others properties are tensile strength and point load strength of rocks. As explained already, the test results obtained from core samples are not directly to be used in design of dam. These values need to be correlated to rock mass conditions present at that site. In this regard, some field investigations are also required. Basic field investigations are permeability testing, deformation testing, shear strength of rock. We also need to know the interface properties of concrete to rock, as these are important to study the interface behavior. Further stresses are also need to be found at that particular site. Field investigations, as explained already, we will see one by one. Permeability is very important parameter. While doing the boreholes, these tests are generally carried out. Single packer method or double packer method are widely used to estimate the permeability of rock mass. The permeability values are useful in performing seepage analysis and selecting suitable measures. Plate load and plate jacking test, both gives the deformation and corresponding strength of rock. Goodman jack test and dilatometer test are used for finding the deformation strength of rock mass. Goodman jack test is used for rock mass conditions. Dilatometer test is used for weak soil conditions. The methodology is to read the deformation by increasing the pressure inside borehole. This way we can estimate the foundation properties both in laboratories and field, and we can design a safe dam. Thank you.